Hi everybody. Say hi. Say hi. Okay, well, this is Honey Bunny. She's my sister's bunny, and she's the cutest little thing ever. However, sometimes we do fight, especially during this process. Basically, this has been another fun addition to my days because Honey actually got sick. She has like a tumor in her head. Honestly, I don't really know. So I need to give her medicine every day, and I need to give her eye drops and eye creams and all of that. Yeah, so this is like the first activity that I do during my day. I do this 2 times, so we will come back in the evening as well. And oh, okay, Honey. What are you doing? What are you doing? So yeah, I'm just gonna chill here with her for a little bit because I need to wait till the cream sinks in, and then we're gonna give her food, and then the day starts. So yeah. I need to send this off. It's mostly just clothes, but yeah, let's go to the post office. Hey, baby. I'm back. The bag is empty, so cool. I decided that today I'm gonna be creative. I'm gonna make the time to, draw and write and all these things that I usually don't really have time for, or like I prioritize my work and my studying and everything else over this. So yeah, basically now I just brought some of my notebooks. Each one is for a different thing. Here I have just this tiny little one. Don't ask me why I put this fish there. I don't know. But that's just like my little journal that I write my like YouTube ideas into. So yeah, I just want to write some stuff down because like I haven't been putting much thought into my YouTube in a really long time. I think like for the past month or so. Then I have this notebook. I'm so proud of this. It's like all my childhood stickers. I like stuck it onto this notebook. And it says storyboards. Right now I'm working on one storyboard in particular, which is for my first upcoming short movie that we're gonna film with my friends. And I'm not even like half done with the first storyboard, so I'm just gonna work on it today and we'll see how far I will get. And then this is like my favorite notebook that I use when I just wanna like chill, like I just don't wanna think about anything. It's this like fashion sketchbook. I had this for like, I don't know, 5 years, 4 years, and I never drew into it. And then one day I took this to a vacation and I just, pick up my pencils and I started like drawing. I just really want to get better at this because it honestly calmed me down so much. Like just, creating some funky looking colorful looks. I just never realized how relaxed that makes me feel. Well, these two are terrible, but I decided that today I'm gonna definitely do at least 2 or 4 looks. So yeah, I'm just gonna lay here for a minute and I'm gonna do these. So yeah. I did 12 shots. I'm still not like in the middle of the story, but it's enough for now, and I'm freaking starving. Also, my camera is dying, so I'm gonna switch to my iPhone for a while, and I'm gonna charge my camera, and yeah, we're gonna go make some lunch. Well, tortellini with pesto. Ooh, I'm gonna saute an eggplant to it. That's gonna be good. And then we're gonna make salad. And then I also have some leftover ricotta, so I'm gonna add that to the salad. I'm so full, but this was so amazing. I can't describe it. Okay, well, it's definitely like not the best I can do. I know that. Like, what the fuck is this? But honestly, like, this could be my new hobby that I will get really good at. But even if I won't be good at it, honestly, I don't care because it's just for me. Anyways, I'm gonna clean up and yeah. I kind of always feel like Rue from Euphoria, like, because she's doing drugs. But no, this is the medicine that I'm giving my sister's rabbit every single day. Twice a day, actually. There can't be any bubbles, which is so annoying because there's so many of them. And we're here yet again. Honey, say hi. Hi. Good. Good girl. She's all done. Okay, now comes the really fun part, because every time I put her in her cage, she knows that she gets like a little treat after this. So she always like jumps on the cage, and it's so freaking cute. So I'm gonna show you. Let's go. Look what she does. She's so freaking cute. Here you go. Oh yes. Oh yes. Hi guys. So my boyfriend came home and we're gonna go pick up some Chinese food because we got really hungry and we were feeling like eating Chinese. So yeah, we're just gonna pick it up and bring it home though, because yeah, we just want to do that. So yeah. What do you think?
Hi! I don't understand why we are not filming some kind of fancy schmancy dinner.
He's too worried that I'm filming our too basic dinner that it will seem that he's not taking good care of me, even though he just bought like 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 courses.
But
we're
very
not even
small.
gonna finish. I love you.
I love you.
We can't be serious for one shot. Okay.
Maybe I have to start the YouTube career.
You should. Cool.
It's really good.
It's really good. We're watching Wild at Heart by David Lynch. I'm having fried noodles with chicken and vegetables. You're having what? Like chicken.
And rice.
Then we have summer rolls, but the summer rolls are like giant. I don't know what type of rolls these are. And then we have just some
Summer squares.
maki sushi. So, peace. We're gonna watch this now.
It's called summer squares.
Honestly, then we're gonna end this video. So, hey, I hope you enjoyed the video.
Bye.
Bye.
It's summer square.
Summer
Summer roll, summer square. I'm so much funny.